Good afternoon, it's Gary from IronFind.ca coming to you from the lower mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2012 Peterbilt 386 highway tractor. It has 919,715 kilometers with 14,368 engine hours on a Cummins ISX engine, 525 horsepower, has a Jake brake and full diff locks, an 18-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, RTLO 18918B. Front axle rating is 12,000 pounds in spring suspension, and the rear 40,000 pounds on air suspension with Super 40s, axle model D40 170P. The ratio is 4.30. Tires all the way around 11R 24.5. Most are all new. Rims are aluminum all the way around inside and out. Wheelbase is 235 inches. Twin fuel tanks, 110 and 135 gallon. A 72-inch single sleeper and a fresh CVI will be supplied. I'm going to do a general walk around of the unit. We're going to come up close for a tight inspection, go inside the cab and under the hood. It's a standard white color, dual exhaust, and we can see it has a moose bumper. Again, we'll take a closer look momentarily. We'll do a general walk around first. Truck looks to be in pretty good shape. Not seeing a lot of body damage from here, but we're going to get close in a moment. And let's come right up to the hood here, right up to the grill. Let's just follow along the bumper here. Everything looks good so far. And the steps up to the driver's side of the unit are nice and level. Not seeing any problem with the doors. We'll take a look at the mirror here. I'm not seeing any cracks or chips or damage to the outer body. I'm going to step back here. And the fairing looks good. And we're going to take a look at the outside of the sleeper. It is a high roof sleeper. Chain rack. Let's get a little closer here on the rear of the unit. All the hookups are in order. The access deck is nice and level. I'm going to step back here between axles 2 and 3 and come up to the Peterbilt low wear leaf suspension. As mentioned, the tires are almost new. You can take a closer look at the photos. Every tire will be in the photo section. And we're on the driver's side of the unit. Let's do the same thing, come between axles 2 and 3. stairs to the access are good. And I'm going to step back. I'm going to check out the fairing and the sleeper unit. Also good. Not seeing any problems or damages. Also the steps and the exterior of the cab look good. I'm going to check this mirror out as well. That's good as well. And the hood's good too. Let's take a look inside the unit. I'm just going to take a look at the upholstery here. Looks like the original. No seat covers, but it's in good shape. And let's take a look at the panel. Unit is nice and clean. And let's take a look in the sleeper. Lots of room back here. Again, it's a single. And it is very clean. We have two large storage compartments. Probably not enough light to see inside. But again, I'll have them in the photo section. Let's start up the unit and take a look under the hood. Nice clean start. And there you have it. Another great piece of iron from IronFind.ca. Thanks for watching and have a great day.